This 2016 Winnebago Vista LX 35F is a Class A RV. It is located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29588 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 35 feet 5 inches in length and features Sleep 7, skylight, external shower, air conditioning, stove top burner, refrigerator, smoke detector, leveling jacks, awning, microwave, auxiliary battery, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, couples coach, loft, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2016 Winnebago Vista LX 35F is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.